Imagine this. You've got an amazing idea for a YouTube channel, something you know could really make a difference. But every time you think about it, you think about hitting the record button, you feel that knot in your stomach, and suddenly all your confidence just vanishes. If this sounds like you, you're not alone, and you're definitely in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how you can break through that fear, silence the self doubt, and finally share your unique voice with the world. Ready to turn that dream into reality? Let's get started. First of all, acknowledge your fears. Fear is a natural protective mechanism that prepares the body to fight or flee during a perceived danger or threat. But it can also arise from imagined situations, such as fear of failure, rejection, or of the unknown. Fear can paralyze you. It can stop you from doing what you want to do in life, creating a barrier between you and your goals. It can make you doubt your abilities, question your worth, and hold you back from pursuing the dreams and aspirations that truly matters to you. Whether it's fear of failure, rejection, or the unknown, this powerful emotion can trap you in a cycle of inaction, preventing you from taking the steps necessary to grow, learn, and achieve your full potential. But the good news is that fear doesn't have to control your life. While it's a natural human response, it can be understood, managed, and ultimately defeated. Let me tell you how to manage your fears. Let me tell you how to manage your fears. First, you need to identify the root cause of your fears. Is it the fear of what people will say about you? If you're worried about the opinions of others, it's important to remember that everyone has their own viewpoints and judgments, which are typically influenced by their own anxieties. What people say or think about you doesn't define you. Learning to separate yourself from others' opinion can free you from this fear. Focus on your own values, your goals, and the reasons why you want to pursue your path. Accept the fact that not everyone will understand or appreciate your journey, and that's okay. What truly matters is how you feel about your own efforts and the progress you make. Maybe it's the fear of making mistakes that can lead to failure, but remember that mistakes are necessary to grow. Instead of fearing them, treat them as valuable lessons that guide you to the path of success. Or is it the fear of not being good enough? Feeling that you're not good enough usually comes from unrealistic expectations and probably comparing yourself to others. You need to recognize that making progress takes time. Everybody starts somewhere. Focus on your strengths and unique qualities. Yes, believe it or not, you have many qualities and you are unique. No matter what your fears may be, I want you to know you have the power to overcome that natural but yet paralyzing feeling. Shifting your mindset is extremely important. Focus on progress and not perfection. Remind yourself that first few videos will be far from perfect, and that's okay. In fact, no one starts out perfect. Instead, keep in mind that each video you create is a step forward to improvement. Shifting your mindset is extremely important. Focus on progress and not perfection. Remind yourself that your first few videos will be far from perfect, and that's okay. In fact, no one starts out perfect. Instead, keep in mind that each video you create is a step forward to improvement. The recipe of perfection is being consistent. Putting in the work will gradually refine your skills. Growth comes with experience. Another way to manage your fears is to welcome the challenge and accept the learning curve. Take some time off from your daily routine to learn something new that can help you master your video creations. Find a mentor. Take courses from experienced content creators that have gone through trial and error and have succeeded. Set realistic goals. By breaking down your larger goals into smaller, manageable, and less overwhelming tasks to reduce the pressure and make the process less intimidating. Each small task that you complete brings you closer to your larger goal, allowing you to see progress along the way. This approach not only builds confidence, but also helps maintain your motivation. You can also practice in private before publishing your first video. Practice recording yourself to get comfortable in front of a camera. You can even make a few unlisted videos to get the feel for the process. This method will give you the opportunity of refining your tone, gestures, eye contact, and content if necessary. So remember to take action and act with courage. Courage isn't about being fearless. It's about moving forward even when you're scared. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory over your fear. By choosing to act despite the fear, you build confidence and move closer to your goals. The more you face your fears, the less power they have over you. Don't wait for it to go away. Take that first step today and keep moving forward. Now that you know how to tackle your fears, it's time to take action. Get ready to start your YouTube journey. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and cool ideas. Don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who might need some motivation and inspiration. Let's crush those fears together and start creating right now.